Hi y'all, so I'm back from shopping, but guess what arrived? Our new refrigerator or freezer. It's a convertible one. So we're gonna get it off of there and we're gonna put it in the garage. We're gonna set it up. So let's see if we're gonna do this. So this is where I'm gonna put it. I think it'll fit in here. Let me take my leaf blower down. Hopefully nothing's wrong with it. This is a little bit smaller. That is a lot smaller, isn't it? But this is going to be my beer fridge. Does Grandma need a beer fridge? Yes. There. See that? Pretty nice. So smaller than my freezer, but this is really for my beer fridge, and it was like $240 some. $239. I think it was $239. The instructions. You want to change the door so it opens this way, but I like it this way. And we have it on. Oh God, I can't read that. Freezing or cooling. So we're going to put it over here to cool. I don't know if you put it right there. I don't know, we should have bought it from winter. That's okay. Let's clean up our mess and we'll let it get cold.